guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually walking you through a very simple and easy bridal makeup look using all clean beauty products. Just going to say most of what I use is Beautycounter and I use it because I love it. And before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. So I started with the Beautycounter Instant Glow Illuminating Cream and it just gives a very nice glow to the skin. This is honestly perfect for those non-makeup days, but it really gives a nice touch under makeup. So I'm gonna go in with my Tint Skin by Beautycounter. I recently started using the Beautycounter retractable foundation brush and it does a beautiful job at spreading this foundation across your skin, hiding imperfections, and best of all, when you're done, you just retract it right down, put the cap on, and it doesn't get foundation all over the rest of your brushes and your makeup when you're traveling. I always put some on my eyelids because I like it as a base. So that it all blends in really well. So I like this coverage. For a special day I might put a little bit more, but any blemishes that the foundation that is a light to medium build doesn't cover up, you can always go back in with concealer. I like that this foundation doesn't feel very heavy at all on the skin. It's very breathable. Perfect for those warm spring and summer days. So I have two concealers that I really truly like. One is the Cloven Hallow Conceal and Correct, and it's the Beautycounter Touch Up Concealer Pen. I like both. They go on a little differently. This one's a little lighter in texture and this one's a little heavier. So because this is a special occasion makeup, I'm gonna go with a little heavier coverage in this. One thing about the concealer is if you tend to have more fine lines and wrinkles, I would actually go with the Beautycounter Touch Up Concealer Pen just because it is a lighter build. I would try to stay away from the very heavy concealers if you have any fine lines that you don't want to draw attention to. And you can see that even though I put on a considerable amount of powder on my face, you can still see a glow to my skin, and it's not because my skin is oily right this very second. It's really because of this Instant Glow Illuminating Cream. So truly, truly love this. Even for a person like me with oily skin, absolutely love it. And especially on a special day like a wedding day, absolutely, you want that glow. It's time to add some warmth to the skin and dimension along the top of my forehead, around the outer edges, and any angles that you want to accentuate. You can see already that my face has more of a contour to it. Better. I'm gonna do my blush, and this is the Beautycounter Raspberry Satin Blush, and a little goes a long way with these blushes. And for a wedding day photo, you typically want to go a little bit darker, only because the photography is going to wash the makeup off your face a little bit. So you do want to punch up your makeup just a little bit more so that it shows up on your wedding photos. And as I'm putting color on my cheeks, I can't help but notice that my eyebrows are like non-existent. So we are going to touch these puppies up in a second. To tone this down just a bit with my have a new guide in my kit. I have the Beauty Counter Brilliant Brow Gel, and it is pretty amazing. But since I have sparse brows, I'm going to go in and fill them in before using the brush, before using the brow gel. And because you're going to have so much photography on you and sometimes flash, you want to really take a good look at your eyebrows and see where the sparse areas are and really concentrate on filling in those areas. So for me, I have a little bit of sparseness in the middle of the brow, and I also have some on the tail. I have so many home videos of me performing in high school, and I wasn't allowed to wear makeup in high school, so I only have like this much eyebrows in the videos. It's so funny. And I'm going to bring this down just a little bit to create some fullness in here. But I'm going to focus a little bit here on the front where I have a little bit of sparseness. Up here where my hairs tend to do whatever they want. And you can see that if I press really hard, it will go down to the skin. So you can apply this however you'd like. There's really no right or wrong way. The only thing I would avoid to do is really like dragging it across the skin. This is already drying. I can feel that my brows are not going on. This is totally optional, but it does enhance that youthful, glowy look, especially the one that you want to enhance on your wedding day, because it's a magical day. I am team nose highlight and Cupid's bow. Love a Cupid's bow highlight. Love it. I am going to work between both of these palettes. This is the Statement palette of Beauty Counter, and this is the Classic palette. And this is really kind of like my go-to palette every day. But I think I'm going to add in a little bit of the Pink Cider and of the Gray Nightfall from the Statement palette. The suede transition color, and it helps all the colors really blend well together. I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go in with Cider, and I'm going to do this on my eyelids. Ooh, very pretty. And I like how it brings light to the eyelid. I grab my eyeshadow palette. Smoky for me is natural. I'm going to take Nightfall under the eye also. And I'll also bring in Cider underneath. I'll bring in a little more of that Cider on the eyelid. Love this. Now, if you think you're going to cry on your wedding day, I didn't. I didn't cry, but if you think you're going to cry, I would look into a waterproof mascara. Or you could also do a great set of falsies. I love the Bridal. These are the natural 120 demi and black. These look so good. So I'm going to apply these off camera and I'll be right back. And here you have them, these lashes. They are amazing. I love them. I think they are maybe $7 at the drugstore. Perfect. You don't have to spend a ton of money on false lashes. This is a great way to look really fab, and they look pretty natural. I love them, and they really, really make your eyes pop. So the last thing I'm gonna do to finish up this bridal makeup look is going to be the lips. And I'm going to go in, and this is a nude, surprise, surprise, a nude lipstick. And this is the Brunch Color Intense Lipstick by Beauty Counter. I was going to go in with this bright lip gloss, but I think I want to tone this down a little bit. So I'm actually going to go in with my Ride or Die, the Bare Shimmer Lip Gloss by Beauty Counter, and it is going to tone down this look just a little bit. That is my bridal look. See? I hope you enjoyed, and if you'd love to see more of these videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks, guys.